Yeah, so for like years now, well, I guess ever since I built this bench, probably a year, I've been kind of messing around with the carriage. I've had a couple of things that I've done. I took the old carriage that came with the Pac Bay, set up, what, 20-something years ago. Had three wheels on it. The center one is adjustable, has a slot so you can make it tighten the track. The thread tensioner sucked on it, so just was never a big fan. Then I kind of came up with this idea. I made my own wood one with the thread tensioner, and it's just been never really got comfortable. No, you know, I think also too is I've seen some of the other rod lathes that they have around. There's an Italian one, I don't know if I can mention the name, but it basically, the thread carriage is set up behind the work and the thread comes up and over wraps it. The problem is my lathe set up, the direction of the chuck's the wrong way. I even tried flipping it over, and nothing has worked. So today basically what we're gonna do is just take this off. This is a time to clean when you're emptying out your flipping your rod lathe base. All the thread, all the pieces of epoxy you scraped off, everything comes out. And I think this one was set up so long I quit smoking in April, and there's actually a extinguished cigarette. Whew. Don't miss that. So what I do is I have a rail that I butt the lathe up against, and what I'm thinking of doing is maybe taking this and moving it to the front, and then I could use my linear setup, which is very smoothie, and I can get back to the dream of working in the front. So we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens.